We judge people who view life differently than us and take comfort in the fact believing that we have it right. Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all well. Our habit of the month is less judging and less gossiping. Judging others and gossiping is a very low form of vibration. And why do we judge? It's just basically to feel a sense of superiority, to feel better about ourselves and have a diversion from our own life, our own problems. In actuality, judging others is a coping mechanism to avoid our own repressed pain and shame and wounds. Now as humans, we'll always have some form of opinions and judgments about people and things. But when we continuously pull down others in order to feel better about ourselves, it can become a severe addiction and have us living on hate every single second of the day. So without wasting any time, let's quickly go through the ways of how we can avoid gossiping and judging others and our own self. Number one is practicing taking a pause before responding to a situation or a person, because sometimes we don't even know why we are hating on somebody or throwing shade on them or pulling them down and being a part of mindless gossip. And so it's better to take your time, think it through and take a pause before you respond. Number two is strictly distance yourself from people that bond over judging others. And I hope you realize how wasteful that is, because it just gives us a false sense of intimacy and connection when there is none. Even if you do not actively engage in a conversation where there is gossip, the energy of the people around you will definitely affect you in one way or the other. Number three is get yourself busy. When you are pursuing your passions, your goals and are busy investing in yourself and your own life, you will not have the time and energy to talk about others, let alone judging them. Next is a thing that I heard a few years back, something called the 17-second limit that we give to ourselves to gossip about someone. It can basically be done at a beginner stage when we just cannot control our habit of gossiping, and so you just gossip about someone in 17 seconds and that's your limit. Do not have any add-ons, do not have any other insights, and just don't let it fester. Get it out of your system in 17 seconds and then just let that person be, let yourself be, live and let live. I know it's funny, but it can be used to control our wrong habits a little bit. Next up is pointing out one positive aspect about the person that you're gossiping about. We do mindless gossip all the time, but we have the control and can prevent ourselves from going down that slope of hate. So say for example, you're talking about somebody from your past, say from your school, and you begin to have a conversation of something like, oh, he was this, he was that, and you're pointing out the negatives of his personality. So try forcing yourself to point out at least one good thing about that person so that you can shift the energy of the conversation. Oh, he was this and that, but he was also a great friend and he's pursuing this right now. You see, we should try to have empowering conversations about humans in general in our daily lives. And finally, a thing that I've followed since forever and it has always worked, and that is, if I don't like something, I don't do it. That's it. We all like and dislike different things. We all approve and disapprove different things. And it's a free living world. We all can do whatever the hell we want in our own lives. I like something, I do it. I don't like something, I don't do it, even if the people around me are into it. You see, the only people who try to control others are the ones who are miserably not in control of themselves. We always have a control over our own life, a choice to make for ourselves, and we can do that all the time, right? Controlling your habit of judging others and gossiping can have an insanely positive impact in your life. Just keep reminding yourself that you do not know it all. When we try and develop understanding and compassion in general, we move closer to our goals, our ambitions, our manifestations, our joy, and our overall life becomes much more better. I hope we follow this habit religiously for the rest of our lives and become better humans. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That's it for today.